So this is me restoring my iPad to factory settings. I'm going to plug my iPad in. I've already got my iTunes open, and once I do that, I plug it in. It should appear over here in the sidebar, and then if I click on that, one of my choices is I can choose to restore this to its original settings, and all I have to do then, once I've clicked on my iPad on the sidebar, is click that restore button, and what should happen is it's going to ask me if I want to back up my settings. I'm not even going to back that up because I do want to restore it, and then it'll ask me, am I sure? And then I hit restore, and all the media and everything is going to be erased off of that iPad. And you can see that it's extracting the software. This may take a little bit, so I'll edit this down. Once it's done, you'll get this little notification that it's happened and it's all good, and you need to leave that iPad connected while it restarts. But we see now that it's just a blank iPad. It's a brand new iPad. Yay. And that's that. So I'm going to go ahead and eject the iPad. And then I'm done.